Nowadays, in our so-called modern world, still 13% of the world population still do not have access to electricity. Our project is driven towards the incentive to build a low-cost solar micro-inverter which aims at bringing a solution to some energy issues in the world. A low-cost off-grid solar micro-inverter is the perfect energy solution for houses in impoverished countries. Why? It does not require the power grid to operate. Micro-inverters operate at module level, and the number of solar panels installed can easily be scaled up, unlike with other types of inverters. Efficiency is the highest amidst all other types of inverters. Solar micro-inverters is the perfect alternative to off-grid energy demand, for instance, caravans, campers, and food trucks. For the same reasons as mentioned above, plus solar inverters are not as noisy as compared to fuel generators. Why is our product unique? Our IoT-based solar microinverter not only addresses the energy problems of consumers, but also comes with an Android mobile application which we call Solar Moon for remote performance analysis of our system, which in case of fault provides vital information to technicians for diagnosis. Our inverter design is based upon the single flyback topology. The design includes a transformer which provides galvanic isolation to neutralize electrical hazards. To approach a real-life scenario, the input parameters to the solar panel is updated automatically based on real-time temperature and irradiance values in Kuala Lumpur area from our app. Current, voltage, irradiance and temperature are sensed at the output and input of the microinverter, and upon simulation, these data are in real time communicated from Simulink to Firebase using REST, which is an HTTP protocol. Our solar monitoring app, Solar Moon, enables users to monitor how much energy a solar panel is producing given the actual weather conditions from the smartphone. Real-time, past days, months, and also yearly data can also be accessed. Users are also able to get trusted forecast weather up to 48 hours hourly forecast and 14 days daily forecast. Here is the home screen. Users can get a quick look on what is the current weather info and how much current, voltage and power that the solar panel is generating in real time. Alright, let's go to the yield screen. Here, users can see all the details of historical solar production and compare it against historical weather forecast. Now it shows the past data in a day. Tapping the month button, it will display monthly data, and tapping on the yearly data is shown. Users are also able to see which day, month or year that most solar energy was captured, and it could help them to figure out how to use solar production efficiently. Navigating to the next part, which is forecast screen. Users can see the next 48 hours of hourly forecast and 14 days of daily forecast. This allows users to get a better estimation of their future energy usage.